current election season is going on. But when you hear these candidates still talk about, giving importance to girl child education and, making toilets, that's still a priority even after so many years of independence. Do you think it's really saddening that our country is still struggling with the same things, which should have been done way earlier actually?
Quite a lot is being done. It's a huge country. We have to scale things up. It's definitely better than before, but you're right, we are still struggling to meet the goal. The schools are in place. Like I'll give you another example, like see the primary health centers are there. The fridge is there, but the bijli is not there. So the injections can't be kept there. So instead of having a solar, so sort of there are little gaps. But the government has spent a lot of money and a lot of things. We've been able to bring down the infant mortality, which is a huge thing. We've been able to do that. So it's not that India is not doing a lot of things. It is doing a lot of things. But at the same time, a lot needs to be done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
खुशामदीद, नमस्कार, आदाब, कैसे हैं आप लोग? कि मेरी बेटी आज इस मुकाम पे है और ऐसी ही हमारे समाज की असंख्य बेटियां इस मुकाम पर हों, इसलिए ये फंक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पर।
वेल मामा, मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि अगर मैं आज अबला नहीं सबला हूँ, एबल हूँ अबला नहीं, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू, क्योंकि आपने मुझ में इतना बिलीव किया और आपने मेरी ड्रीम्स को, शी इज़ द विंड beneath my wings and she's the one who's nurtured my dreams and given me the confidence to go out and venture into the world. And today, I hope by the end of our event, we raise a lot of questions in the heads of all the people in our country and also think that how important it is for the girl child in our country to work.
जब ये छोटी थी, मैं पंजाब में रहती थी और वहाँ से शिफ्ट होकर बाद में बॉम्बे आई, तो पंजाब में बेटियों को बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से ट्रीट किया जाता था उस समय में और बड़े अजीब तरीके से बुलाते थे। तो जब ये मुंबई आ गए हम लोग, तो इसकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस मैंने डिसाइड की कि ये कभी भी जेवर नहीं पहनेगी और जब तक ये बड़ी हुई मैंने इसको जेवर नहीं पहनने दिए।
मामा सच बोलो, ये कॉस्ट कटिंग का अच्छा तरीका था आपका।
ये भी हो सकता है, लेकिन सब लोग कहते थे कि आप अपनी बेटी को किचन में नहीं जाने देती। मैंने कहा जाएगी किचन में, ऐसी बात नहीं कि जो किचन में जाते हैं उन्हें दूसरे काम नहीं आते, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूं कि ये एक समाज की मानी जानी हुई महिला बने और उसके लिए इसका दूसरी तरफ कंसंट्रेट करना बहुत जरूरी है। किचन में जाना एक प्राउड की बात है, जो मैं भी जाती हूं, लेकिन मेरी बेटी एक समाज में जानी जाए अपने नाम से, न कि और किसी के नाम से, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। मैं यहाँ आज अपनी बेटी की सफलता की वजह से खड़ी हूँ। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई डॉटर।
आई लव यू माँ।
चलिए देखते हैं एक एवी के माध्यम से इन्हीं बातों को।
करना चाहूंगी श्रीरूप मित्रा जी को, जनरल मैनेजर है केयर हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड।
आइए।
Plan India is a part of Plan International, one of the world's child-centric community development organizations, and is committed to the principle of child rights and equality. Plan India is working to improve the lives of disadvantaged children, their families and communities through an approach that puts children at the center of community development. Plan works with... Thank you, Mrs. Dingley. That was quite touching.
कहते हैं कौन सी वो चीज जो यहाँ नहीं मिलती, सब कुछ मिल जाता है लेकिन माँ नहीं मिलती। और वो गाना भी सुना होगा आपने, ऐ माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी, उसको तो देखा ना हमने कभी, पर इसकी जरूरत क्या होगी। मैं कहूंगी जितना माँ को सराहा गया है उतना ही बेटियों को भी सराहा जाना चाहिए। ऐसी ही एक बहुत ही मशहूर काबिल और सम्माननीय माँ बेटी की जोड़ी श्रीमती शर्मिला टैगोर जी और सोहा अली जी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। कैसे गौरवान्वित महसूस करती हैं?
मैम,
I think. Are you?
Please, no,
no. बोलो क्या बोलना?
Please, please.
I was going to answer your mother's question.
Please,
first.
ma'am.
Yeah. I think you have to ask her that. I mean, I'm very happy that, you know, and I think it's a matter of luck also, you know, how she turned. I did my best. क्योंकि उस वक्त तो हमारे पास मोबाइल फ़ोन भी नहीं होते थे और हम डबल शिफ्ट कर रहे थे. So, you know, she just grew up on her own, I think. I don't know what I did. But looking back, I think, I don't know how I managed, but I'm really, really proud, as you say, the way it's turned out. And she's worked very hard and she's achieved a lot. And I'm really very happy.
Soha, what do you think? How instrumental is it for a mother to be a part of a daughter's dreams?
I would say it's incredibly important. Family is very important, and I think that within the family, the role that my mother has certainly played in my upbringing, I feel the level of confidence that I have today, a true feeling that the world is at my feet. I'm aware of my limitations also, which I'm thankful for. And again, that's a certain grounding that you get an education from school and you get an education at home. And both of those are invaluable. And one of the things that I learned at home and from my mother was the value of education as a whole and how that was very important before you do anything. So whatever you want to do with your life, whatever you want to become when you grow up, first you must complete your education to, as you know, certainly up until a bachelor's degree. After that, I was insistent that I wanted to do a master's degree, mainly because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I hadn't decided what my career should be. So my parents, and especially my mother, when it came to education, was something that she was very passionate about. I think her whole family has been passionate about education for many years. So that has been instilled in us. And there was never any distinction between my brother and myself when it came to what we wanted to do. And parenting is something that is so complicated. I can't imagine being a parent. And you can really, you shape a young child. And that's a huge responsibility. I think, and I suppose I do have to give my mother a lot of credit for that.
Well, thank you, Soha. You know, that's what I said, that please ask her what she thought about my parenting. So I'm glad. But yes, taking from her, I would say that education is one single most important thing. And I think we, both my husband and I, just valued that. And we felt that if we had to give our children the best of education, and aage, whatever decision they want to take, just create options, because the education empowers. Education opens up the whole world in front of you. With education, you can deal with success, you can deal with failures. You become a person. You are not indebted, or you're not, nobody can manipulate you. Nobody can take education away from you. You can lose money, you can be rich today, you can be poor tomorrow. But if you're educated, you remain educated. It's something that is there forever. So I think we valued it, my parents valued it, my mother gave us that confidence. We don't have a brother. I had only 2 other sisters. So we do, they didn't make us feel that sons were important. And they gave us equal opportunity. They gave us the best that they could afford. And we felt that we should also give our children a good education. And the rest is their destiny and what they make of that. So to that extent, we prioritized education.
एजुकेशन के अलावा जब इन्होंने फिल्मों में